TicketSwapcom review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're buying or selling event tickets, most people get this wrong by assuming secondary marketplaces are all the same. The surprising truth is that TicketSwapcom offers a secure, transparent platform that protects both buyers and sellers, but pricing varies depending on ticket type, demand, and seller fees. Tickets on TicketSwap are often listed at face value or slightly above. Platform fees are usually around 5%-10% of the ticket price, which covers secure payment processing and fraud prevention. Popular concerts, sports events, or festivals may have higher resale prices due to high demand, while smaller events often stay near face value. What you get: secure transactions, transparent pricing, digital ticket transfer, and fraud protection. What you give up: slight platform fees and limited availability for sold-out events. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Compare multiple listings for the same event to find the best price. Step 2. Check the ticket type and entry details carefully. Step 3. Consider timing. Buying early can avoid price spikes. Step 4. Read seller ratings to ensure reliability. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore platform rules. Tickets can be rejected or cancelled if not properly verified. The surprising truth is that TicketSwap's pricing is designed to be fair and secure, not just cheapest, which gives buyers peace of mind. In conclusion, TicketSwapcom balances security, transparency, and pricing fairness. By understanding fees, ticket types, and timing, you can safely buy or sell tickets and get value for your money.